Hi children, welcome back to our English class. Today I am going to explain second unit, that is from second unit A reading. We have successfully completed our previous unit, that is first unit A reading, B reading and C reading. Now I am going to explain second unit A reading. Unit second A reading. What is that? C.V. Raman. What is our lesson name? C.V. Raman, the pride of India. The pride of India. What is this? Pride of India. So before we are going to know about this all, so what we have to know? What is the meaning of the title? Okay, here who is this? C.V. Raman. As we all know that C.V. Raman was a physicist. Okay, physicist. The pride of India. What is the title here? C.V. Raman, the pride of India. What is meant by pride here? So, proud. Pride means proud. So, what is here title? So, we are very proud of his works. We are very proud of his experiments. What he had done, those works and experiments satisfied us. So that is proud. So the pride of India. C.V. Raman, about him, everyone feels like those proud of. Yes, C.V. Raman, the pride of India. So we are very proud of him. So that is about title. So coming to our lesson, children. So as we know that here some pictures are there, see. So who are those? Who are those? You have to be know about one by one here about these persons. So one by one I am writing here. This is only a small for you, a small introduction, but you have to know about them clearly. Okay, you'll get more information. Next you'll find more information after that. Okay, first, what is the first picture here? APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam. Who was he? We all are very familiar about him. So, who was that? He was an Indian aerospace scientist. Okay, and not only that, he was the former president. So, 11th president of India. President of India. Okay, and he was from Tamil Nadu. He got awards like Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan also. Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan also. So this is about Abdul Kalam. This is only small information. Okay, only introduction. You will get more information than this. So you have to be search about him and write in your notebook. That is homework for you. Okay? What is that? He was an Indian. You have to be notice this Indian aerospace scientist, 11th president of 11th former president of India. See Tamil Nadu. He was from Tamil Nadu and he got awards Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan also. So you will get more information than this. Next one. Actually, this is oral discourse. You have to be find all this and you have to be speak. But this is video class. So how can you? That's what I am giving introduction of them. Second, who is that person? C.V. Raman. Now he is a hero, a lesson. So what about him? C.V. Raman. Chandrasekhar. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. What's his full name? Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. He was an Indian physicist. Indian physicist. He made groundworks. He made groundbreaking works in the field of light scattering. And he was also from Tamil Nadu. And he got arts awards, Nobel Prize in Physics, Nobel Prize in Physics. For what? His discovery, that is Raman effect. When did he get that? 1930. So he got award Nobel Prize in Physics 1930. More than that, he got more awards than this. So you have to be collect all the information. This is about C.V. Raman. More we can learn in our lesson more than this also. Now coming to fourth one. Is it clear? Hope you understand, children. Yes. Who is that? Srinivas Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan. Who was he? He was an Indian mathematician. So what he did? He made substantial contributions to mathematical analysis. So, Indian mathematician, and he also from Tamil Nadu. Erode is place. Tamil Nadu. He got awards. Fellow of the Royal Society. Yes? Is it visible? Yes. Fellow of the Royal Society. He got this award. Not only this, you can search more. Srinivas Ramanujan. Who was he? An Indian mathematician. His works made substantial contributions to mathematical analysis. We know that so many mathematical theories. So, he was from Tamil Nadu. He got award, Fellow of the Royal Society. So, this is about Srinivasa Ramanujan. And what is our fourth picture? Who is that? Homi Jehangir Baba. Homi Jehangir Baba. Do you know about him? Yes. He was an Indian nuclear physicist. Nuclear physicist. Okay. So he was an Indian nuclear physicist. And he was founding director and professor of Tata Institute. That is Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. So, he was an Indian nuclear physicist and founding director. Okay, founding director and professor of Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. He was from Mumbai, and he also got award Padma Bhushan. Got also award Padma Bhushan. What is award Padma Bhushan? Okay, this is about Homi Jehangir Baba. Hope you understand. Next one. Rakesh Sharma. Who is he? Who was he? He was an Indian, all Indians only. Did you notice that? First Air Force pilot. He was an Indian first Air Force pilot. So, he was the first Indian go to the space. Okay. And he was from Punjab. What his work? You have to know that, no? So, first Indian citizen to go to space. So, first astronaut. And he was from Punjab. He also got award. What is his award? Ashoka Chakra. So, Ashoka Chakra. These are all great Indians. They got awards from government. Ashok Chakra. About Rakesh Sharma. Only I am giving a small introduction and little information about that. Then you can get more information. This is about Rakesh Sharma. Now coming to Kalpana Chawla. Who was she? She was an American astronaut. Okay, but here she was an American astronaut. She was the first woman from Indian origin. Okay, first woman. Okay, first woman from Indian origin. Origin to go to the space. To go to space. So, astronaut, go to space. She was from Haryana. She was from Haryana. So, first woman. First woman. Before that, Rakesh Sharma. Man. First man. So, first woman. She was from Haryana. She was from Haryana. She also got awards. She also got awards. What's her award? NASA Space Flight Medal. Flight Medal. This is her award. This is about Kalpana Chawla. So, how many we have discussed? 6 members. All are Indians. All are Indians. Actually, let me ask one now. Why we have discussed? Why we have discussed them? Is there any special? Yes. All are Indians. They got awards from that. They struggled their works. Finally, they reached their goals. Yes or no? Finally, reached their goals. Now tell me, what is your goal? And how can you reach that? So, this is your aim now to first you have to decide your goal and how to reach your goal. You have to plan for that. For that only they gave all pics, all photographs of them and information. Do you want to be a scientist? Then how like? That is also okay. A clear information you have to be with you. Now coming to our lesson, children. What is our lesson? See about our hero, C.V. Raman. Yes, on the busy Bow Bazar street in Calcutta, there was an old building. I am reading, children. You have to follow me. Where I am reading, you have to keep your fingers on that. On the busy Bow Bazar street. Bow Bazar street. It's a street name. Bow Bazar in Calcutta. There was an old building. Okay, that is the place. Bow Bazar street in Calcutta. One old building was there. It was the headquarters of the Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. That was old building, but it has a speciality. What is that? That is the headquarters of Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. So, all experiments, okay, regarding science, all the people who are the researchers, scholars, they are in that place. See, now coming to in December on a fine evening in 1927. What is that? December This is the month 1927. This is the year. There was much excitement in one of its laboratories. What is excitement actually? What is mean by laboratory and excitement? Here excitement means it's a strong feeling of something. Okay. It's a strong feeling. Laboratory means it's a room. Okay, with equipment. I'm writing here. A room with equipment for scientific research, scientific experiments, experiments or any research. This is laboratory. Okay, for them allotted one room. For that all laboratories. Laboratories means plural form. So laboratory, a room, single. So many laboratories are there. So many rooms are there. So what is in that? Equipment for scientific experiments or other researches. Excitement, it's a strong feeling. What is here excitement? There was much excitement in one of its laboratories. So they have an excitement for what? Chandrasekhar Venkataraman. His full name. What's his full name? Chandrasekhar Venkataraman was showing a visitor some of his instruments when a young man. In that time, he was a young man. So he has shown to his instruments and his experiment to visitor. Some of them came from outside. So he has shown everything to them. When young man, K.S. Krishnan, who is the K.S. Krishnan, rushed in and announced. Rushed in means ran quickly. So rushed is past tense, that's what ran. Okay, rushing means run quickly, rush in, so ran quickly. So he is hurriedly running. He was running for something in his mind. So he rushed in and announced. Announced means saying loudly. So in a louder voice. Announced, Professor Compton has won the Nobel Prize. Professor Compton has won the Nobel Prize. So this is very, very, very good news for them. It's the best for them. So here Compton, actually Compton is A.H. Compton. He's the professor. So Professor Compton has won the Nobel Prize. For what he got that Nobel Prize? We'll see. That was happened. So here Krishnan, K.S. Krishnan. So student of them. So he shouted, he announced, Compton has won the Nobel Prize. Whenever he announced that, then Raman was equally delighted. Was equally delighted. What is that? Here Raman, delighted means happy, felt happy, very happy, that is happy, pleasure. It's a good note for them. It's a good note for them because they felt happy. Whatever they did their work, finally result. What was the result? He got Nobel Prize for that. Who was here? Not Raman. Actually, A.H. Compton. So for that he was thinking. Raman was equally delighted. Excellent news. Really? It was really? This is excellent news. He was thinking himself. Excellent news, he said, smiling at the visitor, and then he was lost in thought. Again, he went to his thinking. But look here, Krishna. Again, he said to that who was announced here, Compton has won Nobel Prize. He said to Krishna, look here, Krishna, look at me. Okay, look here. He said, turning to the young man. So he asked Krishna, look here, and said to him, if this Compton effect is true of X-rays, what is that effect? So he got Nobel Prize for what? Compton effect. Compton effect. What is this related? X-rays. It's related to X-rays. So, what is here? He was saying to Krishnan, if this Compton effect is true of X-rays, it must be true of light too. What is mean by here? Here, A.H. Compton did all his experiments and works on X-rays. Okay, on X-rays. So he got Nobel Prize. He won the Nobel Prize. Finally, he won the Nobel Prize for his work. For his works. What is Compton here? X-rays. So he was focused on that X-rays. But here, our hero, C.V. Raman, focused on C.V. Raman. This is A.H. Compton. Now our C.V. Raman, that is Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. So he was doing his experiments on light. On light. So he was delighted because of whenever he heard about that Compton effect got Nobel Prize, then he was thinking, yes, I'll also, because I am doing experiments. He was thinking, I am doing experiments light. So, how like the Compton effect true to X-rays, here my Raman effect also true to light. Focusing on light. So, his experiments total on light. What is this here? It must be true of light too. So this is true to my experiment also. A few years earlier, A.H. Compton, had shown that the nature of X-rays changes when passed through matter. When passed through matter. We are talking about only A.H. Compton and Compton effect. So here, what is mean by matter, children? In your science, you got this word, I think. This is substantial. This is physical substance. Say substance. Physical substance. So it occupies space. It occupies space. So here, what is this? Here, substance, and it occupies space. That is matter. So that is matter. What is here? A few years earlier, before that. 1927, then no, before that. Before a few years earlier, A.H. Compton had shown that the nature of X-rays changes when passed through matter. Whenever it passed through matter, changes occurred. So this is about Compton effect. The change was dependent on the kind of matter. Maybe this is different kinds. Okay, matter may be in different kinds. So that is depends on kind of matter. Any kind of matter. This effect called Compton effect. This effect called Compton effect. What is mean by this? Whenever X-rays passed through the matter, that depends on that kind of matter, one type of matter, that is known as Compton effect. Here Compton effect, okay, is successfully completed, and here A.H. Compton won the Nobel Prize. Could light also change its nature? Come to our textbook. Could light also change its nature when passed through a transparent medium? Coming to our lesson now, our hero. That is C.V. Raman. Could light also change its nature? This is Raman's verse. When passed through a transparent medium. What is mean by transparent? Transparent means, what is mean by transparent? What is mean by transparent? It's see through that. Whatever the object is there, okay, this is not non-transparent. Did you see? Do you see me? No, this is non-transparent. Transparent means you can take plastic cover. You can easily see next to whoever there and whatever thing is there, that object. That is known as transparency. We can look at them through that one. So what is that? Allowing. Whatever we are looking at, allowing through that. Allowing through. So we can see through that and that object, allowing us to see other part. What is the next to that object, and see through that object. That is transparent. Here, what is transparent medium? Could light also? So light here transparent. Could light also change its nature when passed through a transparent medium? So light focused. Okay, lights passed through the transparent medium. Depends on transparent medium. For example, you are keeping one light here, candle. You can keep on candle. You can keep book, means it's not transparent. Yes or no? Only shade. It will get. But whenever you can take another like paper, that is also somehow cover. We can see the light. Yes or no? So that is about here he was saying. Then that was the question that Raman asked himself. This is the question. This was the question asked himself. Who asked himself? Raman. C.V. Raman asked himself. For 5 years, he had been doing research in optics. What is mean by optics? It's related to light. It's related to light. His experiments on light only, no. So, optics means related to light. That is, here also they gave the science of light. What is they gave? The science of light. So always he focused all his efforts on light, physics. So optics related to light, the science of light. For 5 years, he had been doing research in optics, the science of light. No sophisticated equipment. Sophisticated, children, advanced. Sophisticated means advanced. Means highly qualified. Advanced, highly qualified. Highly qualified. That word is sophisticated means advanced, highly qualified. Here, no that much of highly qualified or advanced equipment with C.V. Raman. Then how like? No sophisticated equipment was available in his laboratory. But Raman was confident. Whenever, wherever, whatever. But he was confident on his thing, on his experiments. Raman was confident that he could find the answer with some modifications. With some modifications. What is mean by modifications? Modifications means changes. Changes. Any changes. So here modifications. He was confident on his experiments. Okay. He could do some modifications, some changes in his equipment. No sophisticated equipment was available in his laboratory, but Raman was confident that he could find the answer with some modifications in his equipment. 4 months later, what happened? Yes, everything was done. Now, what happened to here? 4 months later means 1927 December, no? Coming to after 4 months on March 16th, 1928, Raman announced his discovery. Raman announced his discovery of new radiation. He announced his discovery, that is new radiation. What is mean by that? Here in brackets they describing the behavior of a beam of light passing through a liquid chemical. What is new radiation? Beam of light. Children, beam of light in the sense, here one beam, that is, what is beam? So here light is there. Pole, beam in the sense pole. So pole, light is there. So this light focuses to all directions. And that rays passed through the all directions. Passing through a liquid chemical, that is beam of light. Nowadays we are observing this in functions, how like they keep one word bright light for video, okay, shooting video or any occasions, events, celebrations, no, that is beam of light. How like focusing the light all directions. To an assembly of scientists at Bangalore. Now called Bangalore. So this is announced by our hero C.V. Raman. When did he announce? March 16, 1928. What happened after that? See here. The world hailed the discovery. Then the world known about that, felt about that. Then they know good note. They heard about that good note. Hailed means describe something. So, describe something or someone. Here what is something and who is someone? The world hailed the discovery as the Raman effect. Then all the people, they had to know about the Raman effect, about C.V. Raman. What is describe something? Raman effect. Who is someone? C.V. Raman. Did you get it? Yes. Do you understand? Yes. The world hailed the discovery as the Raman effect. For scientific research in this country, it was a red letter day. Children, 6th class, you got this word? Are you able to remember? A red letter day. A red letter day. What is this? Means an important day. Because why it was important? Why it was important? Because Raman effect emerged from that onwards. The world hailed the discovery as the Raman effect. For scientific research in this country, it was a red letter day. It was an important day. His discovery caught the attention. Then everyone talked about that Raman effect only. Okay, then Raman, C.V. Raman, caught all the attentions. His discovery caught the attention of the world. See here. Without here, how like? No sophisticated equipment. We already read about that. So his discovery caught the attention of the world with equipment worth hardly 200 rupees. How much? 200 rupees. So less. And limited facilities. No more facilities there. So only limited facilities. Raman was able to make a discovery which won him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. When did he announce? 1928. Now when did he get Nobel Prize? After 2 years. Okay, whenever it emerged, after 2 years, he won the Nobel Prize in Physics regarding Raman effect. This is about our part 1, lesson part 1, that is C.V. Raman, the pride of India. Dear children, you have to read once and underline new words, find out meanings and write in your notebook. We will continue later part in our live class. Thank you. Have a nice day.